Wow! Where are we? And why are all these files flying?
You are in the treasure cave of files. To find a game you seek, you must organize these files into folders with the correct names.
Hello kids, this is Captain AHS. If files are scattered everywhere, finding the right one is like searching for treasure in a storm. Today, we'll learn how to manage files and folders like expert navigators of the digital sea. Set sail!
Whoa! Where are we, Saro? Everything's flying around. This place is crazy. I think we're inside the computer. But it's so messy. How does anyone find anything here? Welcome to the digital library. But oh dear, everything is out of place. The computer is lagging because the files are scattered everywhere. Files? What are those? Files are like the pictures, documents, and games we save on the computer. But they're all mixed up here. Exactly. To keep them organized, you need folders. Just like you use different bags for books and toys at home. Oh! So, we can make a folder for pictures, one for games, and one for schoolwork? Yes! Let's get to work. If you organize them, the library will become neat and the computer will run faster. Right-click and select New Folder, then name it Pictures, then drag all the image files into the folder. Next, let's make a folder for games. They repeated the process, creating folders for games, homework, and music. It's like organizing my toys into boxes. This is fun! Where did I save that game? It's lost in this mess of files. Wow! Where are we? And why are all these files flying?
You are in the treasure cave of files. To find a game you seek, you must organize these files into folders with the correct names.
All right. Let's get started. We'll create a folder called Games for all game files. This is fun. I'll make a folder called Schoolwork for homework files.
Naming folders helps us know what's inside without opening them.
Yeah. And now we can find everything easily. Help! Our files are lost!
What's going on?
Our files are in the wrong places. Some need to be copied for backup, some moved to the right folders, and others deleted because they're junk.
Copying makes a duplicate, moving transfers the file to a new folder, and deleting removes it permanently.
Our files are safe and organized.
It's time for the quiz. Why was the digital library so messy? Option A. The computer had too many games. Option B. The files were scattered everywhere. Option C. The folder fairy made a mess. Option B. The files were scattered everywhere. What do folders help us do on a computer? Option A, make the screen brighter. Option B, organize files neatly. Option C, delete all files. Option B, organize files neatly. Why did Haseeb and Emara create folders in the treasure cave? Option A, to organize different types of files. Option B, to make the cave look pretty. Option C, to delete all files. Option A, to organize different types of files. In Robot City, why did Dua and Hania delete some files? Option A, because they were important. Option B, because they were junk and unnecessary. Option C, because they wanted to empty all folders. B, because they were junk and unnecessary. What does the copy function do? Option A moves the file to another location. Option B creates a duplicate of the file. Option C deletes the file permanently. Option B creates a duplicate of the file. Amazing journey to organize files and folders, but do you know there are even more advanced tools to make documents look professional? Get ready! Next, we're diving into advanced word processing skills. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.